Sometimes when we experience loss, it's very destabilizing. I know many of us have been there. And it's in those moments that we, I think, at times find out the hold that some of these things in our life have on us, how much they mean to us, how much we derive our stability and our confidence from them. And it's not only until they're removed that at times we realize that we have a hand that's greater than any of these things in our life. God has promised to never leave us or forsake us. He's promised to be with us forever in the good times and in the bad times, and to provide for what we need to get through both. And in those moments of loss, I know for me, the fact that He's promised to hold me fast and not to let me go has been such a great source of confidence. And I pray that it would be for you too tonight, even as we sing this song. He will hold me fast, that it would speak to you in that way.
Those He saves are His delight. Christ will hold me fast, precious in His holy sight. He will hold me fast. He'll not let my soul be lost. His promises shall last, bought by Him at such a cost. He will hold me fast. He will hold me fast. He will hold me fast. For my Savior loves me so. He will hold me fast. For my life He bled and died. Christ will hold me fast. Justice has been satisfied.